In this video, I will show you our bedroom during I will make our bed and tidy up the room. For those who do not know, we are renting 2-bedroom apartment in Luxembourg. This one is a smaller from both bedrooms as we needed less space for sleeping than for the home office. It's sunny in the mornings and I'm glad there are the shutters installed. We got no curtains in the flat, as I don't have an affiliation to the curtains for the multiple reasons. But I have some special way of covering windows in the summer, and I will show you lately how exactly. We are sleeping with our windows open almost all around the year, but when not, to open them is the first of the tasks I would be doing in the morning. So we are sleeping for years in this Yisk bed, which we brought from our previous apartment. It's an oak frame with nothing fancy on it, and that's the main reason I like it. As our mattresses run old, by the last autumn we really had to make a decision whether to get a new bed or keep on waking up with aching backs. After some research, we got the high-end mattresses instead, which were the game changer. For the bedding, we got 2 identical navy blue and white cotton sets from IKEA, and I'm switching them when changing the bed. We have also some beautiful beddings for our guests, and that's pretty much all what we decided to keep after sober revision of what we really need on a daily basis. And it makes the life so much easier. The colors of the room are peaceful neutral, white and grey the most, along with the natural wood and my mentioned navy beddings, and the table lamp in the nook will pop up the color. It's a different story in our living, with a good splash of deep red, and the video about this on the way to be born, so don't forget to subscribe that you don't miss it. For the floor, we got 2 narrow rustic wool carpets alongside of the bed. They are not absolutely the same color, but nobody knows it. Haha! Our mirror is not hung but repealed to the wall for a good reason. It hides the extension cords behind, and those things make me happy only when they are out of sight. I placed a few playful but decent elements here and there, like lighthouse next to the Christian's bed, or bigger white ornament over the bed, as we have a headboard. The ornament replaces it optically. I have to give a swipe pretty often as our bedroom is on the street side. Even though it's peaceful in evenings, there are pretty much traffic in working days, so is the dust. I'm keeping some air purifying flowers, but they are also need to be cleaned time after time. A few pictures from Lithuania, where I'm origin, and Sweden, which we both adore, reminding us on the Baltic Sea, filling the gap between windows and creating a little bit nostalgic atmosphere. Every good bedroom has to have a chair, isn't it? Here is one of our 6, spread all over the apartment. It's a part of so-called Wiener Salon, dating 1880. The black embroidery pillow I made a couple of years ago. The center pattern I found in some French book, and the edges designed myself. The grey bed throw here is resting over the night. As I promised, a window covering for the summer season. Foldable paper screens. They are letting the light in but protecting the plants from being burnt, and I love them. The central pieces of each nightstand are those bulky and sturdy ledge design night lamps, instead of the light ones what we had before, which were falling off every time I was changing the bed until one was broken for good. The nightstands with 3 drawers, also from Yisk, like our bed. I just decorated them with multiple white knobs. There are not many things on them, as we like to keep it clutter-free and the most possible clear with no distracting things around. The drawers we are keeping minimalistic possible. In mine I got a couple of creams and remedies in the top drawer in IKEA container. Those separators, my thyroid medicine, headphones, sleeping mask along with hand mask, gloves and transparent Muji containers in the middle drawer, and some book and usually the reading glasses in the lower one. Our closet is a modular IKEA box. We got 2 wide and 2 narrow sections, with frosted glass in the middle to give more airy look to this quite overwhelming piece of furniture. We have chosen the ones with bifold doors, so I get to see everything what's inside at one glance. As a personal touch, I added lively doorknobs. We are constantly minimizing the things, trying to keep just what we're actually using, so our closet is easily containing all our summer and winter clothes, part of shoes, my bags, accessories, seasonal and guest blankets, and spare pillows. We kept the nook beside the closet free for the small dresser. I owned this piece of furniture for 20 years easily. We still have a fixed phone, the lamp is making a cozy light in evening, and the fishes just got lost there. In the dresser, I'm keeping organized all my undies and socks. One drawer per type hides many little things. So here is pretty much all about our bedroom. I hope you could get some ideas and inspirations also for your home. If you liked this video, please give me the thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss my new production. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.